Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I wanted to share with you guys my new We Are Memory Keepers bloom embellishment holder. It's a mouthful. But yeah, I got mine in mint green, and if you guys follow me on Instagram, you know that my wife got me two big gifts for my YouTube birthday. She got me the embellishment holder, and she also got me the typewriter in the same mint green color. I might do a video showing you guys that one as well, but for today's video I want to share with you guys what I keep inside my embellishment holder. And this holds so much, you guys. And if you guys are wondering why you're so high up, it's because this opens up pretty big, and I kind of want as much as I can to get in frame. So this is what it looks like. It looks like a nice big flower. It's plastic, but it's not huge. This, I have it right on top of my desk. It is huge once you open it, but you don't keep it open, so that's not going to be a problem for me. What I didn't know that this had was a little compartment up here, which when you snap it open, you have somewhere to like put some little doodads in there. Just got some clips for now, because I switch things up like a million times, so nothing ever is like set in stone in my room, because I am constantly moving stuff around. I don't know who else is like that, but me personally, I think like every day I organize and move something in my room. So let's open up this bad boy. Look at this beauty, you guys. Isn't this adorable? Like excuse me, my goal when I knew I was gonna get this was that I wanted it to be extremely colorful. You guys know that I love color. I don't know, it just makes me happy. I think staring at a bunch of greens and pinks and orange and just color in general, it makes me so happy. Excuse me. So everything that I make or everything that I'm surrounded by, it needs to be color, because that's what makes me happy. That's what fills my soul. It just, color makes me happy. So I knew that when I got this embellishment holder that it needed to be colorful, and not in a pastel-y way. I needed it to be like bam, rainbow. So that's what I did, and I think that I accomplished my goal. If you think that I accomplished it, leave me a comment down below. I love to hear what you guys think. So I'm going to show you everything that I have. I'm not going to take everything out, but I'm going to tell you what I have inside each little pocket, each little petal. So in the first layer, the petals are small, and then they're medium, and then they're large. So in the small ones, I have little like little mini clothespins. So I have those in here. I have some pastel ones in here, and then I have the real bright ones in here, and some black and gray. On this one, I have some little die cuts that I was sent from a pen pal. It's a little flamingo, pineapple, and watermelon, and I just love the way the color looks on that. In here we got some brads. Over here we just got some little jewels, some little stones, some little embellishments like bows and flowers. Oh, and there's a clip in here that shouldn't be in here. That goes right there. So that's just a bunch of little stones and stuff like that. And then that's all for the first row. Now the second set of petals, as you can see here, I have some pom-poms, I have some mini tassels, some gold clips, and some rose gold mini clips. In here I have some resin flowers, super cute, I love these. And then over here I have a mixture of very colorful buttons with polka dots and some that don't have polka dots. And then when we work our way to the last petals of the holder, I have two little glitter clips here, a bunch of colorful bows. I think this one got stuck. Yeah, I have a bunch of little colorful like canvas bows. And then over here is just a mixture of different things. There's clips, there's little arrows, there's bunny ears, there's some sequence ribbon, another bow here, more bows here, gold bow. Over here is a bunch of little embellishments that I have made. So I just have those. I always want to use these up, but I always had them put away. But now I have them in here. I can see them, I can use them, and then I can continue to refill them with little embellishments that I make that I want to share. In here we have bigger tassels, like these little ones right here like this. They're a little bit bigger than the ones that are over here because these are tiny. So these are the mini tassels, and then these are the more larger tassels. And then there's more tassels over here, but these look like this. Super fun. And they have like a suede material to them, so. And those are the ones that I have there. But that's everything inside of this Bloom embellishment holder. You guys, I seriously feel like I need another one. I want the white one. I know I don't need it, but I want it because I kind of want to decorate one like that white one. I want everything to be like rose gold in the inside. I just feel like I have that envisioned in my head, and I think I need to literally play it out. I need to purchase the white one, and well, it's like an off-white, and everything inside be rose gold. I think that'll look cute. Stay tuned if I actually follow through with that, which I might, but I need to find a bunch of rose gold items to fill it with. But yeah, you guys, today's just a quick video just to show you guys the embellishment holder. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you guys picked one up, and if you did, tag me on a picture so that I can see how yours, how yours looks and stuff like that. You know, I would love to see them. I like to see how everybody decorates theirs. It's super fun to watch. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that bell to be notified when I upload a video. Thank you guys for all the love and support, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.